In this video, we will explain how to install a TS003 in a tabletop. First, drill a 16mm or 5/8 of an inch hole through the table. Disconnect the TS003 from the TS-C1 and remove the securing nut. If the TS003 appears to be too short for the thickness of the table, make the hole underneath twice the size to allow enough space for the securing nut. Next, feed the ribbon cable through the hole until the TS003 sits comfortably on the table. Slide the securing nut over the cable and screw it onto the TS003 to lock it into place. Pliers can be used to tighten the nut if it is countersunk in the table. Do not over-tighten the nut to avoid the risk of damaging the TS003. Finally, use 2 short wood screws to secure the TS-C1 under the table, close to the TS003. Connect the RJ45 from the TS003 to the TS-in port, and the TS-out to your DSP or control system. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.clockaudio.com.